Loose and bowling very well. 7 overs for 35. It's away through an extra cover. They'll be back for 2. Inzamam doing the fielding. 7 off 5.
Again, that ball driven past Waqar Yunis on the offside. Not too sure why he's walking in this rapid though, Waqar Yunis. All the men inside the circle should be on the edge.
Surely wide outside off stump. It's up in the air. And a collision. Where's the ball? He's got it. He may have been taken out of the bowling attack, but he's taken a remarkable catch there. Trescothick goes for a magnificent 137. He's collided in the field. There was a nasty collision. Shoaib Malik is the injured party, but the Pakistan supporters in the crowd are celebrating as England lose their 9th.
I'm sure he would love to have stayed there until the very end.
With Andrew Caddick 6 runs from 4 balls. Shoaib Malik's in plenty of trouble out there. Afridi in at full pelt. Shoaib Malik, here's his call, tries to get out of the way. He hits the ground very hard indeed, may easily have dislocated his shoulder there. Afridi does quite brilliantly to hang on to the ball.
Did well, kept his eyes on it, grabbed it and kept it when he fell, Shahid Afridi. Obviously there was no calling there. I think Shoaib Malik just tried to pull out at the very last minute when he saw Afridi beside him. No one called, but he did well. That was a good catch.
So Shoaib Malik is going to have to leave the field. Just got too far underneath it. Afridi taking an outstanding catch, but Pakistan have lost Shoaib Malik. There's the sweep. We've only got 1.